In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications on Zoom app. We'll walk through the Zoom desktop app on both Windows and Mac so you can make sure you never miss a chat message or important update while you're working. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app and signing in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the app window. Click your profile picture, or your initials if you don't have a profile image, and choose Settings from the menu that appears. This opens the main settings panel where you can customize how Zoom behaves. In the left sidebar, find Notifications and Sounds. Depending on your version, it might simply be labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a section for desktop notifications. This is where you tell Zoom exactly when to alert you. Enable the option that says Send Desktop Notifications for and set it to All Messages. This setting ensures you'll receive a desktop banner for every chat message, not just mentions or direct messages. If you work across multiple chats or channels, choosing All Messages is the most reliable way to stay informed without constantly checking the chat window. Next, turn on Show Message Preview if you want to see a snippet of the message content in the notification pop-up. This can save you time by letting you decide at a glance whether something needs immediate attention. If you often share your screen or work in public spaces, keep in mind that message previews can reveal content on your display, so toggle it based on your privacy needs. While you're here, enable sound alerts for new messages. An audible cue helps you catch notifications even when you're not looking at your screen. You can adjust volume and system sound levels separately in your operating system if needed. If you're on Windows, there's one more important check at the system level. Open the Windows Settings app, select System, then Notifications. Scroll through the list of apps, find Zoom, and make sure notifications are toggled on. If Windows blocks app notifications, Zoom can't show banners, even if you enabled them inside Zoom. Turning this on ensures the app's alerts actually appear on your desktop. That's it. Open Zoom, go to Settings, adjust the notification section to All Messages, enable message previews if you want them, turn on sounds, and confirm Windows is allowing Zoom notifications. With these settings in place, your alerts will be timely, clear, and tailored to how you work.